YouTube just released a new feature called Go Live Together, so you can interview and talk to content creators on your phone with the new YouTube app update. Now this is rolling out this week, so some people have it, some people not. But I experienced it and it's wonderful. So this week, YouTube announced this new feature called Go Live Together. So that means you can invite someone to your lives. Go Live Together is very easy. So when you get this feature, you're gonna click on the create button, then click on the Go Live Together. You're gonna schedule a live stream, do all of your processes, your thumbnail, the title, whatever you usually do, and then there's gonna be a copy link. Copy it to email or text. It doesn't work in Facebook or WhatsApp, none of those, just text messages or email. If you're using this feature, you're gonna be streaming in 1080p and you're gonna be filming this way. So it's gonna be vertical, but when you're live, it's gonna be horizontal. So there's gonna be one person on the left, one person on the right. So it's gonna look like a normal interview show, like you would produce in OBS, vMix, Ecamm, whatever software you use, but it's on the phone. And why I love this is you don't need any fancy tech. You can just use your phone and start live streaming. And this is what I want to do, empower content creators. Because some people are just getting started and don't want some fancy tech. Buy this, then buy this new thing, buy a new mic. This is gonna empower you to talk to other content creators and you don't need fancy tech. And just a reminder, to go live on YouTube, you need over 50 subscribers, no community violations. So if you have under that feature will not work. But if you have over 50 subscribers, you can go live with this new feature and it's gonna take some time to roll out. If you're a new content creator or live streamer, remember to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time and have a wonderful day.